Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Cloudflare, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with Cloudflare, first, visit the Cloudflare website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in the required fields with your email address and a secure password. After entering your information, click the Create Account button to proceed. Next, check your email for a verification message from Cloudflare. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Cloudflare website. You will now be prompted to add a website to your Cloudflare account. Enter your website's domain name in the designated field. After entering your domain, click the Add Site button. Select a plan that suits your needs from the options presented. Click on the Confirm Plan button to continue. Cloudflare will now scan your domain's DNS records. Once the scan is complete, review the DNS records listed. You may add, edit, or delete DNS records if necessary. After confirming the records, click the Continue button. Next, you will need to update your domain's name servers. Cloudflare will provide the name server information. Log into your domain registrar's website to make this change. Replace the existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save your changes before exiting your registrar's website. Return to the Cloudflare dashboard and click on Done, check name servers. It may take some time for the name server changes to propagate. Once the changes are complete, your site should be successfully registered with Cloudflare. You can now access various features and settings through your Cloudflare dashboard. Explore the dashboard to optimize your website performance and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.